Hello friends, so today we are going to do the review on the Koch Chemie Magic Wheel Cleaner. Now, I was able to find a sprayer that I could put right into the bottle. It does not tell me to dilute. It says to stay out of direct sunlight, which I am. And it also says to, prior to use, spray the rim and surface well. Depending on the amount of dirt, allow 2 to 5 minutes for Magic Wheel Cleaner to take effect on the rim and rinse thoroughly using high pressure spray, which I do not have. But I have plenty of opportunity to get it off of there, so it's not a big deal. But this is a non-acid wheel cleaner, so we're gonna give it a try. My mom's car is our test dummy today. Let's get started. Let's look at the wheels first. There, look at that wheel. Kind of icky. See that? It's icky. It's just icky. And that's what all of them look like. Sure does smell bad. Of course, that's the iron remover in it. You know it's in it because some of this is turning purple. Chewy! Alrighty, so it's been 2 minutes and 13 seconds, so I'll just use my rinseless to get the wheel there. Sorry, I get to working and I don't stay on track in my brain. Oh, good Lord. This stuff is so strong. Well, that stuff did a really good job. However, it is way too strong even in this well-ventilated shop. It's definitely not easy to clean up without a power washer, so keep that in mind. I'm not going to go any further than this wheel. But it does do a good job. I mean, see, the barrels are clean. I mean, cleaner than they were, but they were really black. But they look good. It cleaned this up really well. I think that'll work. However, it's not going to work for my particular situation. I think here at the shop, I'm going to have to just stick to my regular, maybe even Dark Fury. But this stuff is super strong, and it smells big time very strong. And even well ventilated in here, it was a little much. So that's my thoughts on the Magic Wheel Cleaner. It does work well, but it's too strong here. It does not work well with the pressure washer like Dark Fury does. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this car with the Dark Fury. However, I do think this will do good if I do some exterior work and they need a good wheel cleaner and I can do it outside. Then I know it's a win. But that's the negatives. It does its job. It's cleaning. It's getting those barrels clean. It's getting those wheels clean. That, there's no question. It is doing its job. You do need to be outside with this. It just got too strong for me. So that's why I'm not gonna finish the rest of this inside the shop. I'll just go back to my Dark Fury and it'll take care of it. But I wanted to at least give it a try. I do like it. I think it did a wonderful job. But there are some negatives for me, my particular situation, and that is something I want you to take into consideration as well. Anytime you're using a product, make sure it fits into your particular situation. If it does not, you dang sure don't want to add it to your arsenal. But if it does, and you know it's going to work, because it does work, but if you know it's going to work, you might as well add it. So thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys, and that is the Koch Chemie Magic Wheel Cleaner. Some good stuff, very strong stuff, but a little much for my situation. So have a good one, everybody.